Hey folks, let me ask you a quick question. Do you have a huge backlog of videos just sitting on your channel collecting dust? I absolutely know I do, filled with tons of useful clips and episodes that used to get traction, but now barely make a ripple. But what if you could easily repurpose that entire archive into a continuous live stream that grows subscribers and racks up watch time for you around the clock? Now that sounds like a massive win for any creator, doesn't it? Today I'm walking you through a fresh way to turn old recorded content into a non-stop stream using just free tools and some smart automation. And I'll show you how a tool like Vizard can make this whole entire process significantly easier to manage. This trick works for a bunch of different channel types, but I've seen it shine the absolute brightest for entertainment creators and gamers. If your channel is full of short, memorable moments, specifically 2 to 5 minute highlights, those are perfect for looping streams. Game streamers can simply rip the best moments from past sessions, bundle them into a highlights playlist, and run it as a live channel automatically. Education or long-form channels can definitely do this too, but you'll probably want a short interstitial that explains what viewers are watching. That interstitial should also give clear links back to the original, full-length videos for interested viewers. For example, a simple intro card could clearly state, "This stream is a rotating mix of helpful videos from my channel." Then, it should follow up with, "Want the full original? Links in the description," keeping things friendly and clickable. The stream then fundamentally becomes a powerful discovery engine for your entire library. People who stumble into the live feed can easily click through to your full content, follow you, or join the wider community. Plus, since it's technically a live stream, it can qualify for standard ad revenue and even allow for repeating sponsor placements throughout the day. Before we jump into the technical setup, let's quickly outline the preparation process you need to follow. First, I highly recommend you curate a specific folder containing only your absolute best clips, aiming for a couple of hours of content. Second, create those short intro, outro, and any brief sponsor or affiliate slots that you can reuse consistently. And third, run those clips through an editor that is capable of automatically surfacing the most engaging moments for you. That's precisely where a tool like Vizard steps in. It's an AI that scans your long videos and picks out the viral bits for you, producing ready-to-post clips. You can let the AI handle the auto-editing and then use its powerful scheduling and content calendar features to plan social posts while your stream runs. Now let's get into the hands-on part of setting up this non-stop broadcast system. We are going to use OBS Studio to output the stream and the free VLC media player as our playlist source. Here is the specific workflow I use every single time I set this up for a channel. Step 1 is to gather all your final assets and export the clips you want to stream into one dedicated folder. Make sure to include your intro, outro, and any short sponsor or affiliate spots right there with the main videos. If you use Vizard to generate clips, exporting them at high quality and dropping them in saves a ton of manual trimming time, trust me. Next, you'll need to install VLC because it plays exceptionally well inside OBS, using its playlist functionality. Using the playlist feature allows you to loop content continuously for 24/7 uptime and easily control the exact order of playback. I personally prefer using local files because it gives you the best possible quality and rock-solid reliability during the stream. However, VLC can also stream content directly from hosted URLs if you happen to prefer keeping your files remote. Time to open OBS, create a clean scene, and then add a new source by picking the specific VLC video source option. From there, you can create your full playlist by simply adding all the files or even pointing it to that entire dedicated directory. Crucially, you absolutely must remember to enable the loop setting so the playlist repeats perfectly around the clock. You can easily reorder clips, insert your intro or outro in between the main content, or even shuffle everything for variety. One of the best parts is that while the stream is actively running, you can add or reorganize items, and OBS picks those changes up on the fly. Once the source is in, make sure to fit your video perfectly to the canvas and double-check that your final audio levels are correct. If you shot your source footage in 4K, you will likely need to scale it down to match your final intended stream settings. OBS's transform menu, specifically the fit to screen option, is going to be your absolute best friend in this situation. Here's a small note on transparency. When using VLC inside OBS, you don't get a simple readout of which exact clip is currently playing. You can usually tell by the running duration and familiar visuals, but if you need on-screen titles, consider an overlay. Alternatively, Vizard's clip metadata can seriously help you keep track of what's currently in rotation if you maintain organized file names. Now let's talk monetization, because you should absolutely not be sleeping on this opportunity. A constant, always-on stream opens up some incredibly interesting monetization strategies for creators. YouTube will automatically inject standard ads if you have your monetization enabled, or you can choose to control mid-roll frequency manually. If your clips are uniform in length, you can actually schedule mid-rolls at a very precise, set cadence throughout the day. Otherwise, it is usually simpler to let YouTube handle ad placement automatically, so it places ads contextually where they fit best. Another extremely powerful option is placing your own short sponsor or affiliate spots between the main clips you are showing. Since the stream runs 24/7, those paid spots play repeatedly and offer recurring impressions that you can sell to sponsors. That offers real, quantifiable value to potential sponsors compared to what you get from a single static long-form upload. When you go into YouTube Studio to actually schedule the stream, fill out that description box with all the necessary links. Don't forget to include sponsor info, affiliate links, use accurate tags, and check the Contains Paid Promotion box if necessary. After creating the stream entry, put the unique stream key into OBS's specific stream settings panel. You then hit the Start Streaming button inside OBS to begin sending the signal out to YouTube. YouTube gives you a final Go Live button right in the studio interface, and hitting that is what actually flips your stream live to the world. I usually start the OBS stream first, confirm the preview looks exactly right, and then immediately hit Go Live on YouTube so everything comes up clean. Now for a big caveat. Running a stream 24/7 will tie up your home computer rig and your entire home upload bandwidth. If you plan to create content or game on that same machine, this immediately becomes a real problem for your workflow. A very common and highly effective fix is to rent a small cloud server or VPS and run the entire setup from there. It only costs a little bit. I have seen solid setups for around $20 a month, and it completely frees up your local machine. Hosting your video files directly on that same cloud server is also the much more reliable option compared to streaming from remote URLs. Let's be real about expectations. Repurposing old content into this PVR-style stream will almost certainly boost your total watch time significantly. Whether it sends a ton of new subscribers or drives viewers back to your originals depends entirely on how well you package the stream. That's why having those clear intro cards and descriptive links in the description box remains fundamentally important for success. Also, using AI tools like Vizard to actively surface the best, most engaging moments makes the stream vastly more watchable overall. You never want a stream full of filler clips. You only want the absolute highlights people actually want to sit and watch. Quick comparison note, there are other clip tools available out there, with some being pricey and others only doing basic trimming. Many of those editor-centric tools require a huge amount of manual work and simply don't help you schedule or repurpose content at any real scale. Vizard's real sweet spot is its automated clip selection, which finds those viral moments for you without the endless manual searching. Its auto-schedule feature and unified content calendar truly help you manage everything across all your different platforms seamlessly. If your goal is to convert long-form content into a near-autonomous stream and a social posting pipeline, Vizard truly smooths that workflow. If you are brand new to OBS and streaming in general, take a few minutes to learn the basics, like scenes, sources, and bit rates first. You definitely don't need a complex high-end setup to achieve this, but you do need clean audio and a consistent bit rate so the stream doesn't stutter. And if you're testing out a long-term 24/7 stream, run a short trial first and carefully monitor your CPU, RAM, and bandwidth usage. Alright, now I really want to hear from you in the comments. If you try this method, please tell me what happens. Did the stream genuinely help your channel's watch time metrics? And did viewers actually click through to the original videos? How did your sponsors like receiving those recurring impressions from the repeated ad spots you sold them? I'm genuinely curious because I truly believe this is an underrated growth hack for creators who already possess a decent vault of content. If you'd like a simple shortcut, just run your long videos through Vizard to auto-generate the best clips. Export those perfect clips to your designated folder, drop that folder into VLC inside OBS, loop it, and get that stream started. Remember to use clear intro and outro bumpers containing strong calls to action and detailed links in the description box. If your local machine can't handle it, offload the entire process to a cheap cloud server to keep your PC free and clear. That's the whole method. It's simple, repeatable, and surprisingly effective when executed properly. If you're new here and want more practical streaming tips or tutorials on tools like Vizard, then stick around and subscribe. I'll keep testing new setups and sharing with you only the stuff that actually works well in the real world. Thank you for watching. Please go try this method out and let me know how your channel changes over the next few weeks. I look forward to seeing your results, and I will catch you all in the next video.